Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into gear that deserves your attention. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best military-styled tactical field watch on the market right now, the Infantry MDC Men's Analog Watch. Let's start by addressing why this tactical field watch is earning its stripes. First, this isn't just about rugged looks, it's engineered for function and durability. With its precise Japanese quartz movement, it provides both 12-hour and 24-hour military time formats, making it ideal for military personnel, outdoor adventurers, and anyone who values accuracy. You'll appreciate the minimalist design that focuses on clarity. The dial is clean, easy to read, and gets straight to the point. It's designed for practical use, so whether you're navigating the outdoors or working a demanding job, it gives you time at a glance with zero fuss. This model comes in a sleek black case paired with a green slip-through nylon strap. It's the classic field-ready look, lightweight and rugged. The anti-scratch mineral glass protects the face, and the stainless steel back case offers a layer of durability that gives you peace of mind, no matter where you take it. The watch band deserves a special mention. It's a high-strength nylon strap that slips through easily, adjusts comfortably, and stays secure even during rough activity. Whether you're hiking, camping, or on duty, the band holds up without causing irritation or needing constant readjustment. Another standout feature is the comfort factor. Weighing in light, it doesn't drag your wrist down like bulkier watches in the tactical category. You'll barely feel it during daily wear, but you'll know it's there when you need it. What we also love is how this watch bridges both outdoor utility and everyday use. It doesn't scream military in a way that limits its use, it balances form and function. That means you can wear it out in the wild or pair it with your casual wear without it feeling out of place. And let's talk value. At around $17, this watch is punching way above its weight. You get reliability, a military aesthetic, and actual field readiness in a package that doesn't break the bank. If you're building an everyday carry setup or looking for a reliable backup timepiece, this one fits the bill. To wrap it up, the Infantry MDC Men's Tactical Watch is a no-nonsense, field-proven, budget-friendly option that delivers on all fronts. It's lightweight, rugged, easy to read, and offers a clean, timeless military style. If you're in the market for a tactical watch that's affordable, functional, and designed to endure, this one deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews on gear that matters. See you in the next one.